After watching this video, you will be able to make more than $1,000 per month, even if you are just a beginner. Today, we are going to talk about 5 main ways to make money on crypto. How much can you earn from airdrops? The first method is airdrops. There is an ideal option for starting in crypto since this type of activity doesn't require any investments. An airdrop is the distribution of a project's token for performing simple activities, such as subscribing to the project's social networks, using the blockchain, reposting posts, and liking content. An airdrop is the type of airdrop that gives a reward in tokens to those users who have been with the project from the very beginning. How much can you earn from spot trading? Spot trading is the process of buying or selling financial instruments or assets for immediate delivery. That is, when you buy or sell an asset on the spot market, the transaction is completed immediately and the asset passes to the new owner. In spot trading, you can only make money by buying low and selling high, while in futures, you can make money on both rising and falling prices. The basis of trading is market analysis and forecasting price movements. A fortune teller or tarot card reader will not help you here. You need to conduct fundamental and technical analysis. There are 2 main approaches to assessing and predicting the price behavior of cryptocurrencies and other financial assets. Many people ask how much money is needed to start investing in cryptocurrency. You don't need a huge amount of capital to start. You can start this type of activity even with $20 in your pocket, which is why this is an excellent option for beginners. How much can you earn on these crypto games? As Practice with Nog has shown, earnings directly depends on you. You can earn both $10 and $500. There are several recommendations for increasing token earnings. Join promising proven projects, invite friends through the referral program, and play every day. You can try to create several accounts, but some projects may ban you for this, so you need to be careful. How much can you earn from NFTs? First, let's understand what an NFT is. This is a certificate that confirms your ownership of a digital asset, such as an image, music, or item in the virtual world. It is created using blockchain technology, making it impossible to counterfeit. One of the main ways to make money from NFTs is by creating and selling them. Which ones do you want? And it's not a joke. The first tweet from Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sold for $2.9 million. There is another way to make money from NFTs: investing. The principle is similar to trading cryptocurrencies, but only now we will trade NFTs. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or want to learn more, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.